Okay, good morning, student. In the previous session, we are discussed about the communication skill. What is communication skill? How the communication skill are important for attending interview or job fair and others, or speaking with others, or communicating with others. So, in this session, we are discussing about conducting and facing interview. These are the very important. Conducting interview. Introduction. This tutorial introduces you to basic interviewing skill. Interviewing is common way to collecting a rich set of data and take advantage of the knowledge and expertise of others. Employment interviewers certainly hope to do this when they talk with candidates for a position. Journalists also do this when they interview people for a story. Academic researchers also commonly use the interview to collect their idea. When you conduct an interview, you gain practical experience with gathering data from a primary source. This kind of research demands a considerable amount of preparation and planning. You must have established a atmosphere of trust, exchange information, give and receive feedback, and sometimes perform a follow up interview. Interviews incorporate critical thinking and problem identification as well as make use of many interpersonal skills such as active listening and note taking. Goal and objectives. The main goal of this tutorial to introduce you to some common interviewing techniques. Upon completion of this tutorial, you will able to able to first goal, describe a good interview atmosphere for conducting. Explain why preparation and planning are important. Demonstrate an understanding of types of interview questions. Analyze and evaluate an interview experience. Conduct an interview to gather information. List the parts of interview. Identify strategies for conducting each part of interview. So, activities. To learn more about how to conduct a successful interview, read information and complete the activities. Preparing for interview. Type of interview question. Activity 1, quiz on interviewing question. Beginning the interview. Then activity 2, quiz on how to prepare and begin interview. Conducting the interview, concluding the interview. Activity 3, quiz on the interviewing process. Why conducting the job interview are important. So, how to conduct an interview? Ask question. Let's face it. Conducting an interview is not always fun and it does not come all that naturally to many people, including hiring manager. Often interviewers are many unarmed with the appropriate interview questions, unable to follow up upon candidate response, and unable to fill the void that often result when two strangers sit together for the first time. But the stakes are expectationally high when it comes to build your team and furthering your own success. That's why it's important to understanding how to conduct an interview the right way. Here are a few simple tips that when consisting applied will help you identify candidates who are gathered for progression in their career